I feel I gain weight a little bit. I can see it to my like face. My cheeks is a little bit how do you call that? Like more, it's a little bit bigger now, and my face is like round. That's how I notice when I gain weight. I notice it right away onto my face. It's like a little bit like round, and give those little chubby cheeks onto my face. But anyways, kind of like I like that um, little chubby cheeks and also round face. Good morning everyone. Oh, I miss talking to my camera. It's been like 7 days I haven't talked to my camera. And then because I feel lazy all the time, and today is gonna be busy day for me. I got my dentist appointment at 11 o'clock for regular cleaning, and also I do have to call my doctor to set an appointment for OB-GYN. I feel like running. I feel like running just talking. And yeah, today is gonna be a busy day, and I have some couple things to unbox today. And yeah, I miss talking to my camera. It's been like a week I haven't talked to my camera because I'm lazy like almost every day. I just want to like relax, lie down the rest of the day after working. I just want to relax and be lazy after work. But yeah, today is gonna be a busy day for me, and I'm gonna get ready very soon. It is 7:47. Even my dentist appointment is 11 o'clock, but I still need like an hour and a half to get ready for my dentist appointment. And I will see you later after my dentist appointment because I do have a couple things to unbox with you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna go get ready soon, and I will see you later. Okay, mag-film tayo. I am heading to the dentist right now, and it's kind of like a little chilly because it's like windy. But yeah, so enjoying the sunny and at the same time a little bit windy. The wind makes it cold, a little bit chilly outside, even it's sunny. Ito yung ito guys yung building ng ko, dentist appointment. Yan. Yan siya. Okay, finally I'm home, done with my regular cleaning. And after my cleaning, it feels so good. Every time I have my dentist appointment, after any kind of like dentist appointment, it feels so good. And I paid $14 for my cleaning today, so it's not really bad. It's so cheap. I'm happy I saved money for my cleaning today. I only paid $14. That's it. I guess I'm gonna start with the unboxing. I got a couple things to unbox today. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the Boxycharm. Let's put that aside, and let's open this. So first, this very cute paperwork Boxycharm, and it says harvest. So this is like a fall paper. Oh, and we got this first item. We got this Benefit Brow Volumizing Mascara. And why is it like open already? Super cute. Very cute packaging, guys, of Benefit Brow Volumizing Mascara. Second is this half crack, what is it? Lip fondant? It reminds me cards. It is super cute. Ooh, it's a 3-piece of lipstick, I think. It's a 3-piece of lipstick, I think. Oh my god, it is 3-piece of lipstick. I'm so excited. Meron tayong, so we got 3 different shades of lipstick. Ooh, So I'm so excited. And they got these 82, and these are all the shade that I got for this different kind of lipstick. Yeah, I don't know how to read this, but 3 Skin Aqua Booster. Ooh, this is nice. I got so many, and the packaging is so nice too. Really good, very cute packaging. And second to the last, liquid corrector. Liquid corrector. And this is what look like the liquid corrector. Liquid corrector. Oh, this is like a, what do you call that? This is like a concealer. Super cute packaging. And last is this Quench Moisturizing Serum. I love this beauty brand. I have a couple moisturizer, the same brand of this, and this is the packaging, guys. Super nice packaging of serum. Very cute packaging of serum. Okay, done with the November Boxycharm. Let's go ahead and do the Ipsy one. So this is what look like the packaging of Ipsy, guys. That, and as usual, all we got, we have a super cute brush, angled concealer brush. Angled concealer brush. It's cute little, very cute little pouch of small makeup. Let's open this. Oops. Again, we got this paperwork too. And we got this super cute Tarte concealer corrector. Ang cute ng packaging. Ang liit, baby Tarte concealer. Next is this Briego Farewell Freeze. I have exactly the same with this anti-frizz hairspray. Actually, this is really good to spray into your hair. And also we got this, I don't know what is it, eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. I don't know what color is it, probably brown or something. Oh yeah, espresso, and the shade espresso. And the last one is this Ofra highlighter. I love this beauty brand. Actually, this is really good beauty brand, Ofra highlighter. And that's what's look like the highlighter. Super, oh, the color is beautiful. So I'm really excited about this highlighter. Oh my god, so nice. The color is beautiful. And yeah. And last is the clothing. So this is the first time I ordered online from H&M. So my size from H&M is extra small on the like top clothing. So this is my very first time ordering from H&M online. So actually it's not really bad, but the shipping, it's like slow, maybe like 15 days business, something like that. But I don't have problem with shipping it like slow or long. it's okay. I don't have a problem with that. But this is the two knit sweater. They call it knit sweater. So this is the two items that I bought from H&M online. Actually, the material is so nice, thick, and yeah, I tried it on yesterday and I love it because it's like kind of like wool material. Yeah, wool material, like especially winter now, it's always cold, so this material is so nice when it's during cold weather. So maybe I'm gonna put small clips, short clips that I try it on, what's look like when I try it on these two knit sweater that I bought from H&M. The material is so nice, thick, really thick. So ito guys yung isa, mahaba siya, ganito kahaba. Yung ano niya, pwede mo siyang ganito pag medyo malamig sa labas. And then ito yung sa harap, ganyan siya. And then sa likod, ganito sa likod, ganyan. And ito yung tela niya. Yan. Ganun siya. This is the second one. I like the color. Actually, I thought yellow is bad, but it's not too bad at all. So this is what it look like that. And the front, and then the back, something like that. And yeah, it's nice color, yellow. There you go. Cute na color niya, so cute. I like a loose, any kind of top. I'm comfortable with the loose top. I don't like fit at all. I feel like I can't breathe or something. Well, it's just me, but I love it. Again, the size is extra small. Cute. Alright everyone, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you'll notified every time I do upload a new video. That's it for today's video. Again, thank you so much for watching everyone, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.